Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So I'm excited to say I finally got my BoxyCharm Premium for October on time. Well, sort of on time. It is the 21st when I am filming this, so towards the end of the month, but at least I got it in the same month. I did get my other base box, so I will be filming that, and I'll do the head-to-head with that because I did get that other one yesterday. So now I am just waiting for my add-ons and my other premium box for the month. So I did also receive my add-ons for last month, and they are in these two boxes right here. We will go over those after we go through this box. So if you're not familiar, this is the BoxyCharm Premium, and it is $35 a month. And I think it's 6 to 7 full-size products in this box. I could be wrong, but it's always usually pretty good. And lately, they've been late. So let's go ahead and get into this video and see what's in this box, you guys. Okay, so when you open it up, it has the blue background, which is, I like the blue, but the red to me, I just like black and red. But that's how it's easy to tell them apart without seeing, premium or whatever. If you're opening it and you're wondering and you see blue, it's the premium. So again, $35 a month. And here is a little sneaky peek right there. And I'm kind of glad that I'm getting this now. So I hope add-ons are still active, because now I can see that I didn't get one of the items that I want. So I can hopefully go order that if it's still active. Watch my luck, it won't be. But anyhow, so this month is Candy Shop right there. And I have variation number 11. Okay, let's just go ahead and get into it. Here is my choice item, and it is from Kosas. And it is the Color and Light Palette Cream Blush and Highlighter. Now, the reason I got cream is because by the time I remembered to get this is my second account. So by the time I remembered to get it, all the powder was sold out. I did order some powder and add-ons, so, and I am trying creams. So this says an ultra blendable cream blush and highlighter palette and versatile duos for balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensity for color that complements every mood and every skin tone, valued at $34. And this is the light palette. I didn't get the intensity one because it's cream, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. And I guess it's an 8th Muse. I guess that's the color, and I almost just dropped it on the floor. I do like the packaging. It's nice and sleek. And let's see our color. Okay, well, the packaging is not the best on opening because it doesn't want to open easily. You guys, I'm struggling. There we go. Okay, just as I suspected, there's going to be watermarks on it, but it's not, I mean, it's cream, so, but not bad. Let's see what she feels like. Definitely creamy for sure. Okay, so there are the 2 colors. And we're just oh, that highlight though. Wow, those are pretty, really pretty. Let me grab my little makeup wipe so I can get that off. All right, not upset. I mean, I am, like I said, I'm trying some cream products, so I'm kind of excited that I was able to get both. So, okay. Oh, yay. Another one that I'm excited to have that I was hoping I would get. So this is the Murad Hydrating Toner. And where are you? So it says an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts smooth skin, valued at $35. Excited to have that. I was hoping that I would get that in one of my boxes. So, okay. Another product that I was hoping that I was getting. Okay, Boxy, you're making it up to me. So here is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultrafine Brow Pencil and Styler. An ultrafine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precisions, born in a groundbreaking range of 14 long-wear waterproof smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in paddle brush for effortless blending and styling, valued at $20. And I got my shade in medium brown. So that's actually perfect shade for me. Oh, I like the way it feels though. It feels really nice. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It's a fine tip. And it's not very creamy, which I like them when they're not very creamy. I like the Anastasia ones because of that. And there that is. And then, like they said, it has a paddle on the other side, kind of like the NYX one does. So I'm excited to give this a try. Really excited, actually. All right, okay, moving on. We're moving right along, but we do have a lot of add-ons to go through. So we have the Go-To Exfoliating Swipees right here, and this is, it says, these single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine line, and deeply moisturized, valued at $35. I do have another item that from this brand. I haven't used it yet, but I think it's a cleanser, I believe. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it. All right, I have the Laura Geller 50 Kisses. I could have done without it, but I'm not mad at having it. But watch, I'll get it in both my boxes. So it says 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Wow. No More Air Kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to morning smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color in each application, valued at $21. And mine is in the shade Makeout Merlot. So I'm not going to swatch that because I'm probably not going to wear that. So that'll end up going in a future giveaway. And actually, I think when I said earlier that I can order the product, well, I only got the base box, and I believe the item I was looking for was in, I don't know, the Beauty Bakery palette. I don't know if that was supposed to be in premium. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research. But I got the Illuminati palette. There's been a lot of mixed reviews about this. It says, Illuminati X Issa eyeshadow palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. I can't talk. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look in every person. Okay. Valued at $48, and she is sealed up. So let's open her up. I know you guys have seen this palette, so I'm not going to do any swatches on it, but we'll open it up so you guys can see the inside of it. All right, and oh, okay. All right, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but everybody's saying the pigmentation on this row is not the best, but it looks really pretty. So definitely excited to try that out. If you want to see me try this, let me know down below, and we can try it out. So recapping our box, we have the Illuminati palette, the Laura Geller lipstick, the hydrating toner from Murad, the, what is this, Go-To wipes, the Fenty brow product, and the Kosas blush compact. So what do you guys think of this box? Do you think I got a pretty good box? I mean, I'm not mad at it at all. We'll have to see what comes in my next premium box, and we'll go over this one when I do get that and see which one's better. So let's go over our add-ons for last month really quickly so I can finally put these away. One box I got like a month ago, like when I should have got it. And then the other box finally came today. So I was saving them so that I could show you. And that's how I do it. I've already got a box from this month's add-ons, but I'm waiting till I get the other one. Hopefully it's not next month. So here are the two boxes that we have. And the one that I've been holding on to has the Eloise Queen palette, which is going to go into a future giveaway because, again, I didn't know if I was going to get this, and I ended up with 3 of these. And because I ordered one on add-ons and I got one in both of my boxes. So this one's going to go on in a future giveaway. There's one on my Mercari and there's one that I kept. So next thing I got is the Hank and Henry Spring Fling 9 eyeshadow palette. I really like his palettes. I think they're super cute. And that Fuego one, I'm eyeing it up. It's in the add-ons now. But these are really pretty, and I really like these cute little palettes, and I like the little palettes like this, easy to store, and his quality is pretty good. So let me put that back in its little bubble wrap to keep it protected. I got I'm giving it another try, Marc Jacobs. The first palette that I got, I did not like, so I'm trying this one out, and this is in, does it tell you? Electric. So I don't know, we'll see. The first one I got was on like the Sephora sale section. I don't know if it just wasn't a good palette, if it wasn't for me, or if I'm just not good with his formula. I don't know. We'll find out after I try this one. But it is so pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. There is the back. And then when you open it up, she's very pretty. So I'm excited to give this a try. There is that. And then we have the last thing is the Cara Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. I bought the shampoo and conditioner, so when I seen the mask, I had to have it. I haven't tried them yet. I'm still trying to work through what I have, but at least now I have the full complete set. So that was the first box. Let me get this stuff out of the way. And then we are on to the box that I got today. And this one is the one that I was waiting on, so because there's some pretty products in this. So when I did my video for my Luxe box, I don't know where I was. I was so excited that I finally got it. But I had said that I didn't get these. I think I wrote down that I did, like, through the screen. But I wanted these so bad, and I did order them on add-ons. So now I have 10 of these. I haven't tried them yet, so I can't give you a review on them. But these puppies are expensive, so I'm excited to try them out. I did get a Luna Magic brush set. I really liked these brushes when we got them the first time around, so I definitely wanted to get them. And here they are right there. They look so nice. I love the colors. I like this little bag too, so I'm excited for that. I had a sample of the Sigma brush cleaner, and I use the Beauty Blender cleanser, and that stuff's like $13 for the little guy. So when I seen this in the store for $9, I was like, okay, I really liked it when I tried it. So I went ahead and bought the big guy. Now there were 2 different kinds. I hope I got the right one. I don't know, but here is what she looks like. Just a white plain bottle. I don't know, we'll see. 100% natural liquid brush cleanser. And we'll see if it works for my Beauty Blender. I'm sure it will. But that'll save me money on buying the Beauty Blender cleanser. And there's 2 more things in here. We have another brush set from Alamar. And I loved their green set, so I had to have it. Just had to have it. Plus, I love the color. And then the last thing is from Hank and Henry 2. And this is his lipstick. I was dying to get into this, but I wanted to look at it with you guys. And it looks like it's just sexed, like sexting, I guess, is the name of the lipstick. Is that what it's called? Satin matte. Okay. Yeah, it just says sexed satin matte lipstick. Okay. So let's see. She's supposed to be pretty like the Barbie. Yes, she is very pretty. Let me show you the Barbie one. So here is Pure and Barbie, and here is Hank and Henry. They are the same component, but different colors. So pretty. Has his little symbol up there. And then you click it down. Oh, she's beautiful, you guys. I don't even want to touch it. The glitter on there, look at that. So pretty. I have to swatch it. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's gonna be perfect for fall. Oh, I'm excited for this. Super excited for this. And it's beautiful to carry, you know, to keep up here for display. And now I can display it next to this. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, guys. So that was my add-ons for September and my premium box. Let me know down below what you guys think. Did you guys get your add-ons yet? Does it take forever for you to get them? Let me know because I'm curious if Boxy's got something against me. But I will be doing the other video with my premium when I get it. We'll go over what I got and find out which box is better. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I also have 2 giveaways going on. I will link them down below for you. And other than that, have a fantastic day, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.